Hey everyone, this is Yan from Devolutions with another Remote Desktop Manager pro tip. In today's tip, we're going to be taking a look at how to send broadcast actions. Now, when I say broadcast actions, I'm not talking about setting up a ham radio in your underground bunker, but you never know, that might be a good idea someday. But what I'm talking about is how to send a specific command to a multiple set of servers using SSH. So this can help you in automating tasks and make things a little bit easier, especially when you have to repeat the same process over multiple SSH terminals at the same time. So let's head on over to my computer here and we'll take a look at Remote Desktop Manager. So first of all, I'm going to open up some SSH sessions. So I've got Ubuntu 4 here, and I'm going to head on over to a different vault here. I've got a couple of privileged SSH sessions as well. Windjammer 41 and Windjammer 42. So I've got 3 of them here. And in fact, if I want to, I can even put thumbnail view. I like thumbnail view because it helps give a good overview of all my sessions at the same time. So what I'm going to do now here is I can select basically any of these sessions. I'm going to right click on it. You'll see here there's a broadcast input button. And I can either add to a broadcast, but then I'd have to do that 3 times. And I want to kind of eliminate the number of clicks I have to do. So I'm going to go to Manage Broadcast. And then notice here on the top, you'll see what happens. When I select Windjammer 42, it'll say Broadcasting. And then Ubuntu 4, as well as Windjammer 41. Now you'll see that it's broadcasting on all 3 channels. So now these 3 SSH are going to receive the same exact command here. For example, if I type ls, you'll notice here, it'll show up in all 3 of these. Okay, and then I could just hit enter, and then it'll show me all the files that I have available on all of my 3 sessions at the same time. So for my example here, I'm just going to download the Remote Desktop Manager agent directly from the website on all 3. So once again, if I click here, you'll see on every single server, the same command has been posted. And if I hit enter, I can go ahead and download it. It downloaded successfully. And after that, I can hit exit, and it actually logged me out of all 3 sessions at the same time. So you can kind of see that how simple and easy this could be to use. And I'm excited to see how you find this tool useful. So go ahead and put those comments down below and share with our community how you could use this broadcast actions in your day-to-day workflow. Once again, if you like these types of videos, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.